Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taj and I'm a paycheck budgeter documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. If you are returning, welcome back, beautiful budgeter. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I decided to go back into paper planning instead of digital planning for my personal planner. And so if you are interested in seeing how I decided or what I decided on for 2024, stick around and keep on watching.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk.
All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be kind of preparing a personal planner for 2024. I recently, about a year ago, was introduced to whole digital planning, having my planner on my iPad. And like I said, I liked it, but I don't know. It just didn't do what it needed to do for me. And maybe because when I first started out, this is how I was doing it. And so this is kind of like my first love, and I just went back to it. And so I decided on A5 size because I use A5 for my sinking fund binder and for my savings challenge binder. And so I like that. It's not big. It's not too small. This is one that I'll keep at the house. But if I did need to bring it with me, it's not too big to where it's going to take up so much room or, be kind of odd carrying it around. So that's why I decided on this one. I really like this one. I got it from off of Amazon. And I will, if I remember when I'm editing this video, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box. But I like this one because it has like the little cards here. It has a flap. I like this little flap, and it has a pin loop. I just like the setup of it. I also like the way this is. So it's not like a snap. It just kind of falls in there and bam. So I thought that was pretty cute. But I like the way that it feels. And so, yeah, this is perfect. Now, it also came with some little sticking page, find whatever you call these things. It came with that on the side of this ruler. I don't know if I already use this, but it's there for if I need it. It came with these dividers. It did not come with these stickies. I got that mixed up. So the A7 planner, when I purchased the A7 planner, I also purchased some A7 dividers to go in my wallet, and those dividers came with stickers. And it came with 3 sheets, and all 3 sheets are the same. They're just in different colors. So one is black, one is silver, and one is like a rose gold. And that's where I got these stickers from. So scratch that. But it did come with these dividers. It also came with this little clear dash, and then this in case of loss, please return to as a reward, and they have a dollar amount. Girl, I'm not going to use that, but I did like the fact that it had this on here. The only thing is I would have liked it to be 24 and 25, so I'm probably not even going to use this sheet. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 5. Wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you have 5 dividers that it come with. And then it also came with a bunch of sheets. Now, it was way more than this. I put some to the side because I'm not going to need all of that right away. At least I don't think so. We'll see. But that's what it came with. So I am going to, I'm not 100% sure of the sections that I want. I do know for a fact, I want a notes section. Just for like almost like an inbox where I can just dump whatever, and then when I'm able to, I can kind of put it where it needs to go. So that's what that is. Meal plans, I'm going to go back to meal planning because I feel like that's going to play a major important role in my budgeting, because when I was meal planning, I was not going over in groceries. So I'm going back to meal planning. And then projects, I decided that I wanted to put projects in here because I am going to, there's some things that I want to do around my home, some projects that I want to do. And I want to, a lot of times I'll say, you know, I'm going to do something, and then for the most part, I do it. But then there are things that times where I'll either forget about something or I just put it to the back burner. So if I have it in here, then it's something that I'll see all the time. And then I'll just be able to keep track of what I'm doing. So that's why I have a project section. And then I did purchase also off of Amazon. This did not come with this binder, but I did purchase some calendar pages, and so I'm going to add that in there. And then I'm also going to attempt to make some dash board dividers or whatever what have you. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to put this together. It's not gonna be fully how I want it, but I'm just gonna, what I have so far, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. So and then it actually blocks the first 2 months. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna leave that back here, and whatever other section I decide to come up with, that's what I'll do. So that's that. And then so meal planning. So I have a fitness journal that I sell in my shop, and in that fitness journal it's a guided journal, and so one of the sheets in that journal is for meal planning. So what I decided to do was repurpose that sheet also for my planner, my personal planner. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those sheets for my meal planning, and so that is going to go in this section. I ended up shrinking them down to a size 5. To a size A5, and cut them out and punch holes in them. And so that's what I'm going to put in here in my meal planning section. So this is going to help me with my weekly planning for my menu, like what I'm going to cook for each day of the week, or if there's a day that we're going to do leftovers or eating out. And then it has a up here the week of, and then your shopping list. And then I printed them front and back so that I could get the best use out of my pages. So the back looks the same. And so that's what I'm going to use for my weekly planning. And then I actually did it for this week. So there you go. All right, so that's what I'm going to use for weekly planning. And then, so we have our monthly. All right. And then we have projects. So I'm gonna put a few sheets in here. All right, and then we have notes. So we definitely need some sheets there. And then the next section is I'm not sure and I'm not sure. But I put these because I wanted my meal planning to be in the back. I wanted the projects to be in the back, and then the notes kind of in the middle. I'm just not sure what I want, what I've decided that I want to kind of capture in my planner. So for right now, I don't know what I'm going to do with those two sections. So I'll just put this here. So that's how that goes. And then also, so I printed out some sheets that I wanted to use. I was thinking about using for my dash, but I don't know. But we'll see. So I'm about to cut these. All right, so I was going to laminate this, but I think I'm gonna laminate the others, but this one I don't know, I may not, and then that way it can kind of go behind this sheet. I don't want it to get like messed up, so I don't know if I want to laminate it or not. See, I don't know if I want to laminate it. Because if I laminate it, then this sheet really won't serve a purpose. Feels like this sheet here just captures everything. Dust and... Is that the right side? Yeah, that's the right side. All right, so I wanted it to be like this. I like that. Ooh, that's cute. So this is how I wanted it to be. Ooh, I like that, y'all. And so when you open it, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna laminate this sheet because I want that to kind of lay like that. So what I'll do is the other ones are laminate. I will let's see. So I want one to go here, and I want one to go in front of the notes. So let's see. So I'm gonna use this as a guide to cut the rest. right, so these are the other two. So this one, it says take notes, and so I want to put this one in front of the note section. And then this one says do the best you can until you know better, then when you know better you do better. So I want that in there as well. So I think these two I'm gonna laminate. Okay. All right. I did a YouTube short where I made a savings challenge for a girls trip. Because girl, I'm going on a girls trip this year. I don't give a damn. And so I have to, oh y'all, wait, hold up. When I say I'm so freaking excited, y'all. So my husband bought me, I was looking at this on Amazon, and it ended up coming to the house, and I was like, you got a package here. I called him, I said, you got a package here, and he was like, open it up and see what that is. Girl, I screamed so loud, y'all. I can't wait to start playing around with this. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm about to figure it out. But anyway, back to the girls trip. So I think I'm going to, so I put it's 56 of these, and I don't know if I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna see how much I want to put in here, but basically I'm gonna do the numbers or whatever. But this is going to be for girls trips, and it says girl trips are cheaper than therapy. I was asking my daughter, I said, which one do you think that looks like mostly like me? Like, which one you think would be me? And we both picked this one and this one. That's me, girl. This her. And that's my oldest daughter. But this is more of me. But that's cute. All right. So now that we got the laminate out the way, I want to cut them. And see, that's why I was saying I didn't want to laminate that other sheet, because I feel like that's gonna look stupid. What you think? Like if I was to laminate the other one and put it on there like that, don't that look crazy? You see that? Versus this. All right, come on, beautiful budgeters, help me out. I think I like it better like this, because this don't look right. All right, so I'm gonna just cut this. All right, so I decided that I didn't want to laminate this one, so I'm gonna leave that like that. I really like that. This is cute. Cause this, the way this feels, it like sticks to it anyway. So probably when I open it up, it's gonna automatically, see, it automatic, and I'm not even trying, like it automatically, for me to even pull it off, I have to purposely try to get it off. And so when I open it, it just, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. So this one, I want to go to the notes section. Do I want it to go here or here? I should have made these with tabs. That's what the hell I should have did. And that way this could have just been my divider. Why I didn't think of that, y'all? Why y'all ain't tell me that? Shoot. That's what I could have did, girl. I'm probably going to redo this. I'm probably going to redo this and make this my tab. Because why I ain't think of that? All right. And we have projects. And then we have our meal plan. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to redo that probably. Because my tabs don't even show that much on them. So maybe I could do this one here. Bam. Yeah. Because they're thick enough to be dividers. You know, once you laminate them. They could have been I could have put the tabs. I could have cut it, you know what I'm saying? And then just put, Decisions. All right, y'all. So this is just me. Let me put my two little, hold up, y'all. All right. I ain't want y'all to see my information. But yeah, so that's how I'm gonna do that. And oh girl, let me see. Where my little girl at? I made me a little girl. Well, she's not a little girl, she's a grown woman girl. Ain't she cute? Cause she is cute. I could have did better than this though. But that's okay. But I'm gonna put her right here for right now. Cause she right there. Where I want her at? Do I want her right there? Do I want her right there? That's, oh, I want her right there. But then you can't see her boobs. I want you to see her boobs, girl. All right. The gray, I have a gray, a blue, and burgundy. Girl, the girls be going crazy over my pens. Ask about me. Ask about me. My pens get more hype than my journals. Girl, you better ask about me. What you think? This one, huh? What y'all think? Well, I be trying to coordinate, girl. You got to coordinate. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one. So this is my personal planner for 2024. So if you like this video, if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you could be notified each and every time I upload. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye, guys.